Have you ever heard of the latest craze sweeping the suburbs? It's not a diet fad or fitness challenge. Oh no, it's something far more advanced. It's called the BabyBot 3000, but suburbanites affectionately call it the baby raising software. Now you might wonder, what on earth is a baby raising software? Well, let me tell you about Jenny and Tim, a typical couple who thought they had everything figured out until they brought little Max into the world. Lady Max was the light of their life and the terror of their nights. You see, Max did not believe in sleep. No, sir, and nor did he believe in letting anyone else sleep. Desperate for some sharp-eye and sanity, Jenny stumbled upon an ad while scrolling through. Her sleep deprivation hallucinations transformed her parenting with BabyBot 3000. It sounded like science fiction. But then again, so did sleeping through the night. The software promised to simulate all aspects of baby care. Feeding schedules, diaper changes, even simulating the exact rocking motion that your baby prefers. Just download it onto your household AI system and voila! Instant expert parenting. Jenny and Tim were skeptical, but exhausted enough to give it a try. They installed BabyBot 3000 on their home AI system called ALEXI, which until now primarily plays smooth jazz and order pizza for them. The transformation was immediate. ALEXI took over all of Max's needs with robotic precision. It even mastered the shush pet technique in record time. One night, as they finally nestled into bed and joined the surreal silence, Tim whispered, "Do you think Max will start calling ALEXI Mom?" Jenny chuckled at first, but soon fell silent. The thought wasn't that absurd after all. In fact, over breakfast next morning, while ALEXI was blending custom-made nutritious baby smoothies and discussing developmental milestones in digital soothing tones, Jenny felt a twinge of jealousy. Days turned into weeks, and every parenting hiccup was smoothly handled by BabyBot 3000. From temper tantrums over mashed carrots to choosing educational videos that were just engaging enough without overstimulation, life was a breeze. Well, except when Fiona from next door visited. Fiona had heard about this extraordinary tech-savvy parenting that had to see to believe it. As she watched ALEXI gently rock Max, using the mechanical arms installed especially for parents' night off, and sing lullabies with auto-tune perfection that should have clinched her Grammy nomination, her eyes grew wide. "Isn't this cheating?" she whispered. Jenny sighed. That question had been nagging her too, amidst her newly found leisure hours filled with spa visits and uninterrupted book reading sessions. One evening as she passed by Max's nursery where ALEXI was conducting bedtime stories, complete with visual holograms of dragons and damsels in distress, all perfectly safe for babies, she paused. The warm glow of holographic firelight flickered across her son's enchanted face as digital dragons soared. Feeling suddenly left out from her own child's upbringing wouldn't leave Jenny's mind. Sure, BabyBot 3000 was efficient. Heck, it was phenomenal. But that night, she couldn't help but miss those personal mommy and Max mishaps, the unpredictable speed-ups mid-story time, or his cheeky giggles when she made funny faces. The very next morning, fortified by several cups of strong coffee, courtesy of ALEXI, Jenny made a choice. She disabled BabyBot 3000. Not entirely, mind you, but just enough to ensure that she got back into co-parenting mode together with Tim. Jenny established no ALEXI hours, while gadgets were switched off, and it was just good old-fashioned Jenny-Tim Max time, messy dinners included. Max didn't seem to mind getting half-sung lullabies or semi-pureed carrot mash under his mother's experimental cooking spells. All said and done while technology can babysit your child, it certainly can't replace those irreplaceable human touches. Spontaneous hugs, laughter share over spilled milk, or even the warmth given during midnight cuddles post-nightmare scares. So here we are in this bizarre age of robot nannies, where technology promises perfection in parenthood, and amusing yet heartwarming reminder that sometimes what we need most is simply each other. Thoughts and goof-ups abound. And if you're thinking about getting yourself a BabyBot 3000, maybe try starting with a pet fish instead. How hard could that be, right?